Here's how to create this clean text animation in After Effects, and at the end I'll show you how to make the same thing in just one click. In your text layer, open the text properties. Click Animate and Add Position, then inside the animator, click Add, go to Property and add Opacity as well. Set the Y position to 100 and the opacity to 0. Now open the range selector, then open the advanced options. Change the based on to words. Set the shape to ramp up. Set the ease high to -50% and ease low to 100%. Next, go to the offset. At the beginning of the animation, set the offset to -100% and add a keyframe. Move a few frames forward and change the offset to 100%. And now you already have the text animating in. If you also want to animate it out, copy the second keyframe and paste it a few frames before the end of the layer, then copy the first keyframe and paste it right at the end. And that's it. You now have a complete text animation using only the built-in tools in After Effects. But if you want to do this much faster, you can use the free MotionFlow extension. With MotionFlow, you can animate your text with one click and without creating any keyframes manually. Just select your text layer, find an animation you like and click to apply it. And if you want to change the speed, you don't even need to edit keyframes. Just trim the in and out points of your layer and MotionFlow automatically adjusts the animation timing. You can download MotionFlow for free, link is in the description.